going to discuss isomerism. Isomerism is a phenomenon in which the compound possesses the same molecular formula but different structural arrangement. I am repeating, isomerism is a phenomenon, in which, let me take an example. I am just drawing only the carbon skeleton. This is 4 carbon, and here we can see this is 3 carbon. So here the 4 carbon and here it is 3 carbon. There is a difference. The same difference only we have to relate it with. Isomerism is a phenomenon in which the compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural arrangement, we call it as isomerism. And these compounds which shows, these are the isomers. The compound which exhibits isomerism is called as isomers. The phenomenon is called as isomerism. Isomerism we are dividing or classified into 4 types. Number 1, the chain isomerism. What is meant by the chain isomerism? Chain isomerism is a type of isomerism in which the compounds differ in the arrangement of the carbon chain. For example, let me take a compound again with the 4 carbon, and again let me take a compound with the 3 carbon. That is 4 carbon with a branch. Now if I am going to write the molecular formula, it is going to be similar. It is going to be CH2 and CH2. That is, it has carbon 4 and hydrogen 10. Here also, if I am going to write the hydrogen, it is going to be like this, and here it will have 1 hydrogen. It is also C4H10. Now, how do these 2 compounds differ? The 2 compounds differ in the arrangement of the carbon chain. You can see that if I am going to name this compound methane, ethane, propane, butane, it becomes N-butane. It is only a butane. If I have to label this compound, I have a methyl group at the second position. So it becomes 2-methyl methane, ethane, propane. This is 2-methyl propane. So this 2 has, but see the molecular formula C4H10 and here it is C4H10. So what is chain isomerism? Chain isomerism is a type of isomerism where the compounds differ in the arrangement of the carbon chain. We call it as chain isomerism. Now, let us see the position isomerism. Position isomerism is a type of isomerism in which the compounds differ in the position of the substituent. The substituent, it might be the branches or the functional group. The compounds differ in the position of the branches or the functional group. Let me take the position of a branch. So let me take a carbon with 4 carbon chain with if I am going to take 5. If I am going to take 5, let me take a position of methyl here. Same, let me take a carbon chain with 5 carbons and I have a position at the. Now here, if I am going to label this compound, it becomes the position of the methyl is 3. At whatever terminal I start the numbering, the position of the methyl becomes 3 here. Here the position becomes 2. Second position you can see the methyl group. But how many number of carbons are there in both? In both it has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon. If 6 is the number of carbon, how many hydrogen will be present here? It is 14. That is CnH2n plus 2. So 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So both has a molecular formula C6H14. But here it becomes 3-methyl methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. 3-methyl pentane and here it becomes 2-methyl pentane. So position of the substituent varies. Let us go for the position of the functional group. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, butanol. If I am going to take this structure, It is butanol. CH3, 1, 2, 3, CH, CH2 and CH3. This will be 2-butanol. It is 2-butanol. Let me put the OH at the final end. It is CH3, CH2, 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 OH. If I am going to put it like this, if I am going to put it like that, it becomes butanol or butan-1-ol. Butan-1-ol. This is also you can write it as butan-2-ol or 2-butanol. Now you can see that the position of the functional group, what is the functional group here? Alcohol, that is OH group. Here the position of the alcohol is it is present in the second position. Here it is present in the first position. So I am repeating again, position isomerism is a type of isomerism in which there is a difference in the position of the functional group or the position of the substituent varies. Such an isomerism is called as position isomerism. Functional isomerism is a type of isomerism in which again the compound has the same molecular formula but there is a difference in the functional group itself. There is a difference in the functional group itself. Let us take the example for the functional isomerism. Alcohol will be in isomerism with ether. Alcohol will be in isomerism with ether. So let me make an alcohol. Very simple I will take CH3, CH2, OH. Methane, ethane, ethanol. Okay. Now let me take the same structure for ether. CH3, OCH3. Now let us see the molecular formula of both. It has how many carbon? 2 carbon. Here also it has 2 carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 6 hydrogen and 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So what is the molecular formula for both? It is C2H6 and O. This is the molecular formula for both the compound that I have put here. This is ethanol. This is dimethyl ether. This is the common name is dimethyl ether or it is otherwise called as methoxymethane. It is otherwise because we have already discussed the IUPAC name. By this time you should have known the IUPAC name. Methoxymethane. That is the IUPAC name here. This is ethanol. So these two has the same molecular formula but differ in the functional group. Such an isomerism is called as functional isomerism. Metamerism is a type of isomerism in which there is a difference in the carbon chain that is attached in the both end. For example, we have seen ROR dash. ROR dash. So let me take a chain here. So let me take, I have taken the group ether here. So let me take the chain. For example, let me take a chain like this. CH3, CH2, CH2, OCH3. This is a type of ether where it is methoxymethane, ethane, propane. It is methoxypropane, 4 carbon. Now, this can also be arranged in such a way that it becomes CH3, CH2O. Let me put it again for you. Okay. The same structure, we can arrange it as CH3, CH2O, again CH2, CH3. Now it becomes ethoxyethane. What is the difference between the two structures here? This metamerism, only 4 carbon is present, but you can see the distribution of carbon on both the sides of the functional group varies. Such an isomerism is called as metamerism. Actually, isomerism will be of 2 types, structural and stereo. Only all this chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism and metamerism comes only under the structural isomerism. All these are the parts of structural isomerism. So let me repeat isomerism once again. The compounds having the same molecular formula but different in the structural arrangement, we call it as isomerism, and such compounds are called it as isomers.